Hi, it's Erin. Today I'm going to do a quick demo of the ArtSmart AI. As you can see on my screen, you can generate anything you want. Nothing's impossible. You can say dog, sheep, background, artist style, or painting style. You can say 8K or 4K resolution. There are so many options you can do with this ArtSmart AI tool. Before I show you how you can use the software, I want to just give you a quick idea why you would like to get this software. A few months ago, I was thinking to get one of the software like this because I was thinking to sell and earn some money. For example, you can use marketplaces such as Adobe. I heard Adobe stock markets, they accept digital images just like this. I heard some people, they also got accepted from the Getty images, but I think they have some kind of detection to not accept any AI generating the other stock images marketplaces. They accept the images that has generated by AI. So you can create some passive income from that. Also, you can be a freelancer and sell your images through Upwork or Fiverr, or you can directly contact with the business owners or some companies, generate the images for them, and you can sell these services. Of course, you can create your own website, e-commerce sites, or using Etsy to sell your images. Lastly, if you love the art, you can create your own art and just making a small gallery in your house. So there are some of the ideas you want to try this out. When you go to a playground, you can see the canvas, some of the other options. Here's a guide. First time for you to try the software, you can click on the guide. We have a mode, two different modes. We have a standard or so semi-realistic. I want to choose that one. Here's a prompt. You just type in whatever you want and AI will generate based on. If you want to create something similar image to your existing image, you can drag and drop your image here and then create it. Image dimension is very important because you want to sell these images to the marketplaces that you would need to have at least 6,000 pixels. They now have offer 1024 pixels. You could expand it to 6,000 pixels images and try to sell them. Also, they have show advanced options. You can go ahead and click that. They have a guidance scale, num inference, prompt strength, negative prompt. On the top of the menu, we have in painting, face enhance. If you have a low quality image, you can choose the face enhance to paint it and hit this apply button. Upscale, resize canvas, crop, flip, add text, zoom, new canvas, load image from computer. And if you have your image already generated, you will see the download button right next to it. On the right side, we have presets. You can add a preset by clicking anything you want. As you can see on the left side, it has generated some prompts. If you have generated some of the images, you can go ahead and click this My Images and find your previous images created. Image lookup will show you some of the examples. Here's a prompt. If you want to create something similar, you can go ahead and copy exactly what they have used, the prompt, and then paste in here like that. Just click it. You can also choose camera angles. That's kind of new. I mean, I used to have the other AI generator tool and it doesn't have this option, camera angles. It's kind of new to me. So you can choose deep shot focus. Here's a close up, medium close up, medium full shots. As I'm clicking on this, my prompt also updating. Painting styles, they have a cartoon, some realistic, pencil drawing, digital painting, acrylic. We can also choose the artist. Van Gogh, we have, I love the Klimt style, so you can also go ahead and click that. We have others, trending 4K and 8K resolution, so you can choose them if you want to create something high resolution images. So what I'm going to do is image lookup, and I'm going to click one of them, prompt, and click this prompt, and it has added all these prompts for me automatically. All I'm going to do is generate 8 credits. The reason I'm using 8 credits because the size, if you want to just have 1 credit to use, you can resize it to 512 and it will go to the 1 credits to be used. So I'm going to click generate 1 credit. It will take only a few seconds to be generated 1 image. There you go. I just generated the random image. If you want to create something more specific, your needs, you can definitely use this prompt section to add the text. If you are trying to upload this image to your social media account and you want to add some text on the image, add a text. Hello. You can drag and drop to anywhere you want. And here's we have a bold, italic, underline. You can also change a color if you want. They also have upscale option, which is use AI to make small, low resolution images into large, high resolution images, scale up to 4K resolution. So we can choose 3 and then hit this apply button, which is you will be using 2 credits. Let's go to the roadmap. Let's see what they're planning to. You can also vote or request a new feature for them. This looks good. Social share, post to Instagram. Hopefully I can see the Pinterest too. They don't have a Pinterest, but I am going to contact them to add this new feature. Request, post to Pinterest. I think that'd be great. Let's go to the pricing, because the price is most important, right? So they have 3 different plans, $19 per month, $29 per month, and $39 per month. But as of today, they are offering one-time cost, which is $39 one-time cost, and create the images. Unfortunately, it's not the unlimited images you can generate, but they're going to give you 750 credits per month. But if you are trying to do something really big and large, 5,000 credits per month, which is only one-time cost, $156. Hope my video helps you understand about the ArtSmart. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel so you will not miss any other software deals.